Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I would like to quickly walk you through my blog website, that is Java Guides blog website. So I have written tons of guides, tutorials, articles on Java ecosystem. If you have already visited my blog website, you might already know that I have written a lot of guides, tutorials, articles on Java ecosystem guys, and I just want you to take a benefit of this blog website. And sometime you might not get information from my blog website, but I would like to just walk you through my website so that you will get a lot of benefit and get a lot out of my blog website. All guys, so let's first see the guides, how you can use the guides and how you can find guides from my blog website. So look at here, this is the guides tab. Under the guides tab you can see a lot of guides on different core Java packages like Java Lang, Java SQL, Java Util, Java IO, Java Time. Okay, so you can go ahead and you can click on Java API guides. So look at here you can see a lot of guides on important classes in core Java packages. For example, object class, string builder, string buffer, thread, boolean. Okay, so this is the Java API guides page, which you can see all the links for different guides. Okay, so you can find this Java API guides from here as well. So look at here, all guides. So you can just click on it. We can able to get all the guides related to important classes in core Java package. Okay, now how you can use these guides? Well, if you want to use some string methods or string APIs, then what you can do is you can go ahead and click on string class API guide and you can just search for the method. Okay, for example, if you want to use caret API or method of string class, then you can go ahead and read the method description and the example here. You can quickly use this snippet. Okay, or one more example is if you want to use a method like compare to, so you can go ahead and you can copy this code snippet and you can use it in your project. Or if you want to use compare to ignore case method or concat method, all right, and contents method, you can quickly go ahead and copy this snippet and you can directly use in your project. Okay, I have covered almost all the APIs in string class and I have provided example for all the methods. So similarly you can check out string builder, thread, okay, enum, thread local, thread group, and in java.util package you can find few more guides on different important classes like array list, arrays, collections, hash map, tree map, linked list. And in java.util.concurrent packages you can find few more guides, and java.io package you can find few more guides. In java.time package you can find few more guides like clock, period, year, local date time, duration. Alright guys, and java.sql package you can find few more guides. Alright guys, I have written a lot of guides guys on different important classes in core Java packages. So whenever you want to write any core logic in your projects, then I highly suggest you guys to go through these guides and you can quickly copy the snippet of that particular API from the guides and you can directly use in your projects. Okay, so this is the reference for me. So whenever I want to use or whenever I want to write some logic in core Java, then I quickly go through these guides and I quickly use it. So I thought I could share with you so that it will beneficial for you guys as well. Okay, so this is all about all guides guys and all tutorials. So if you want to develop any projects, or if you want to quickly develop any project or POC, then you can quickly go through these tutorials. Okay, so these are the basically how to tutorials. For example, you can see here full stack development tutorials. If you want to develop a full stack applications, then you can quickly have a look into these tutorials. Okay, Spring Boot Angular, Spring Boot Thymeleaf, Spring Boot React. And if you want to learn Spring Framework, then quickly go through these respective tutorials. And if you want to learn Angular, then you can take a look into these tutorials. Similarly for Hibernate, and these are guys top Java core Java tutorials. So these are the very descriptive and informative tutorials for beginners. So, and I have written in-depth examples, so you can directly use these examples in your project. Alright, and these are the Java EE tutorials and JUnit and data structures and algorithms. Alright, and the interview questions and answers, annotations for your reference. Okay, so I have written tons of tutorials, guys. I just want you to take benefit of these tutorials, that's all. And if you want to quickly develop a CRUD operations in your projects, then take a look into these CRUD tutorials. I have segregated the for CRUD operations, I have just noted down all the CRUD tutorials over here, and for guides you can refer this link. For all tutorials you can just visit this link. If you don't find the information that relevant to you, then you can go ahead and you can search my blog here. For example, if you just search best and hit enter, you can see all the best post or best articles here. For example, guide to string best practices in Java, guide to Java exception handling best practices, code for interface not for implementation in Java, Spring Boot best practices. So if you want to see the best post, you can just type post here, and if you want to just search for YouTube, okay, and then you can find all the YouTube related articles. So if you don't want to read tutorials or guides, and if you want to directly want a source code examples, then you can go ahead and look into my GitHub repositories. So all the source code of my tutorials, guides, articles I have published on my GitHub account. So look at here, you can find around 200 plus repositories. Alright, so go ahead and just search repositories here. For example, if you want to use source code of Spring Boot and Angular, just type here Spring Boot Angular, and you can find Spring Boot and Angular related projects examples. And if you want to use Spring Boot React related projects, then you can just type Spring Boot and React. You will find Spring and Boot and React related projects. And if you want to use Kotlin, just type Kotlin, you will find Kotlin tutorials. And if you want to use projects, just type project and you will get different projects, guys. Alright guys, I just wanted you to get a benefit of my blog website, okay, and the GitHub repositories and the projects examples on my GitHub repositories. Alright guys, let me know in a comment section if you guys are really finding my blog useful, so that I will keep on creating a good content like this. And let me know if you are finding my GitHub repositories and examples projects useful, so that I will keep on creating this kind of stuff for you guys. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I will see you guys in next video.